Hey,
Sorry, this might be a dumb question, but where are you right now?
I'm in the toilet taking a shit. I had Mexican food for breakfast.
Really?
Yes, it was that Mexican place.
What book are you reading then?
Book? No, I'm taking a shit. It stinks.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can smell it. I wish I was dead right now.
You know
Hello?
you shouldn't say those things so casually, considering that I'm at your place right now and you aren't reading The Great Gatsby.
Which book? I'm taking a shit.
Are you with her right now?
Who? Who?
Goodbye, Sam. Have a good life.
Who?